So very good afternoon once again. Welcome back to the session, guys. And part of continuation to the ratios and proportions, part one. This is going to be part two. Before getting into that, let me quickly introduce about myself. So my name is Kabilan. I'm a mechanical engineer with 3 years of teaching experience in the field of management exams. I converted various Indian Institute of Managements. Guys, you can also follow me on Unacademy Learning App. This is my user ID Kapil Math School, where you can see all my exclusive special class videos and stuff. And you can also join on our Telegram channel, Unacademy_Kabilan, so that you can get all my lively updates and schedules for various sessions. So, talking about the beautiful feature called Ask a Doubt, you can simply avail this in your Unacademy Learning App. Just simply download it from your Play Store, and you can click this option, Ask a Doubt, this green color option, and select a question, picture of a question. You need to upload it, for which you need to find the solution for, and crop it down to the specific question, and do not forget to mention under which subject it belongs. For example, if you have doubts from any of the questions from ratios and proportions, simply take the question, crop it down, and mention it falls into the quantitative aptitude part, right? So after doing that, send it to us. You will receive the solution soon, right? And we have this India's biggest weekly scholarship test conducted by Unacademy Combat Challenge, which is happening every Sunday sharp at 12 p.m. Okay, so this is for all the CAT aspirants. And also you can, how to enroll in this, you can simply scan this QR code, right? You can scan this QR code and use my code KABI10 to enroll, right? And let's say if you top the chart, if you're one among the top 3, you get 1 year of CAT Plus subscription absolutely free. And if you're one among 4th to 10th rank, you get 75% scholarship. And if you're one among rank 11 to 50, you get 50% scholarship. And rank 51 to 200, it's going to be 25% scholarship, right? So exclusive deals here. And we have this iconic batch for CAT 2021, where you get a personal mentor who will be a graduate from top B schools, so that you'll be assured with the proper guidelines, and a proper test analysis and reports will be made for your preparational process. We'll be concentrating on OMET's preparation as well. That is for other management entrance test preparations like NMAT, ZAT, SNAP, IAFT, various other top level management exams. So you get all the benefits of Plus subscription included, right? So kindly check it out, guys. And we have this learners and Academy learners who aced CAT 2020 with flying colors, absolute 99 percentiles. And if you aspire to be one for the next year, that is for 2021, you can quickly enroll in our batches which are kickstarting on 26th of June. Practice drill 1.0 for CAT 2020 2.0. And 30th of June, it's going to be the revision guide 1.0 for CAT 2021. And 3rd of July, we have the practice with experts 2.0 for CAT 2021, guys. And the bumper offer for CAT is on for CAT 2021. You can buy 6 months of subscription today and get 1 month of subscription absolutely extra, so that you get a package of 7 months, right? For all the aspirants preparing for CAT and MAT, ZAT, IAFT, SNAP, etc. And the offer is extended on a popular demand, right? So you can easily avail this. So with that, let's get into the continuation of ratios and proportions. This is ultimately the first question for today's session. And if you're watching me live in the YouTube, kindly drop me a hi in the live chat. Hi, Tishan. Hello, Aditya Agarwal. Welcome to the session, guys. Let's do this. The first question absolutely for you. Come on, guys, let's try to do this. And if you have got the answer already, kindly let me know in the live chat. So the first question here is A, B, and C divide an amount of rupees 5,000 among themselves in the ratio 5:3:2 respectively. Okay. And if an amount of rupees 500 is added to each of their shares, okay, what happens? Each of them get 500 in addition to the share they divide from the amount 5,000, right? And the question here is, what will be the new ratio of their shares of the amount? Come on, guys, try to do this quickly. Hi Ayushi, hi Sri Vaishnavi, welcome to the session, guys. Come on, just start doing this question. Very simple question. First of all, how to crack this easily? You have a total of 5,000 and this is being divided among A, B, and C. So if you find how much will be the A share, it is nothing but what? The ratio of A divided by the total ratio. The total ratio is 10 into the amount which is being shared. Is 5,000. So it goes exactly, A gets 2,500. The share of A from 5,000, it is 2,500. The remaining, how much it is, if you want to find the share of B, it is nothing but 3 by 10 of 5,000. So we get ultimately 1,500. The share of B, and the share of C, how to find this? Ratio of C divided by the total ratio into the amount which is being shared. That's it. So if you just do it, you get it 1,000. That's it. Very good, guys. Absolutely very good. Aishi, Sri Vaishnavi, Samaksh, it is absolutely option C. Very good. You guys are super fast. So we have 6:4:3. Now what happens here? Everybody gets 500 in addition to the share. So if you do so, you'll be getting exactly 3,000, and here 2,000, and here 1,500. So if that is the case, you get ultimately what? The ratio to be 3:2:1.5, if I'm not wrong. And if you try to divide, multiply into 2, you get ultimately 6:4:3. So the answer is exactly option C. Very good, guys. Good going. It is absolutely option C. 6:4:3. Very good. Next question. Start doing the next question, guys, quickly. Everything is absolutely same. Yeah. What happens here? Just like the previous question. Here. Come on. I'll not be doing this time. You need to do this and tell me what exactly will be the right option. Start doing this, guys. You have A, B, and C, and they divide an amount of rupees 7,200. So simplify what is the share of A first. Nothing but 5 by 12 of 7,200. And this goes exactly what? 6 times. So the share of A is 3,000. Like in the way, if you find the share of B, you go 600, 600 into 4, 2,400. And the share of C, you get 600 into 3, it is 1,800. That's it. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear, everyone? We have got it without even doing it. And they add up 1,200 for everybody. What exactly will it be? 4,200, and here 3,600, and here 3,000. Right? So now if you try to find the ratio, you get 42 is to 36 is to 30. So if you just break this out with 6 table, you get 7 is to 6 is to 5. Ultimately, very good, guys. The answer is ultimately option D. 7 is to 6 is to 5 is exactly the right answer. Very good. I see it is absolutely option D. Very good. Keep going. Next question. We'll go for the next one, guys. It is absolutely very good, Suchita. It is absolutely option D. Cool. Next question for you. Come on. Come on. Try to do this quickly. You should not take much of a time. You should cut short the solutions. You should cut short the steps. Make sure you get it within a matter of, let's say, 10 seconds. That's how you can improve your time efficiency. Okay, come on, guys. Start doing this. Next question for you. Everybody, what is the right answer? Let me do it quickly. Yeah. How to do this, guys? You have 36,000 here. and this has been divided in the ratio 2:3:4. Okay, cool. And what happens after dividing it? There is a deduction of 4,000 from everybody, from all three. After deducting 4,000, you need to find what is a new ratio. So what I can do, first I find simply for Ashok. For Ashok, it is 2 by 9 of 36,000. So how much will I get here? You get 4,000 if I'm not wrong. So for Ashok, it is 8,000. So for Ashok, if it is 8,000, you can simply do what? Take this 4,000 and multiply with this 3. For Balu, it's going to be 12,000. And for Charita, it's going to be 4,000 into 4, 16,000. That's it. Now you try to subtract 4,000 from each of them. So if you do so, you get 4,000. Here you get 8,000. And here you get 12,000. So ultimately, what will be the ratio? The ratio will be 4:8:12. And it's going to be ultimately 1:2:3. That's it. Very good, guys. The answer it is absolutely option C. Very good, Nandini. It is 1:2:3. Good going. Everything is same. Very good, Samaksh. It is absolutely option C. Okay. Same kind of question. You just find the share, and after that, an addition or a deduction is made from each of their shares. You find a new ratio. So this is sort of one type of question which you can expect. Next question. Come on. Again, the same thing. Quickly we'll do this. Come on. What it is exactly for Amar, it's going to be 3 by what exactly? 14 of 5,600. And this goes exactly 400, and you'll be getting 1,200. For Amar, it is 1,200. And what for Bhavan? For Bhavan, it's going to be 6 into 400. You get 2,400. And for Chetan, it's going to be 5 into 400. It's going to be 20,000. Sorry, 2,000. That's it. You've got the shares, and you try to deduce 400 from each of them. If you try to deduce, you get 800 is to 2,000 is to 1,600. So 000000 goes out, and you get 2:5:2. So the answer is ultimately option A. Option A, 2:5:4 is exactly the right answer. You're getting this, guys, everyone. Give me a thumbs up if you're super clear with this. Give me a thumbs up if you're super clear with this, everybody. Yes. We'll go for the next type of questions quickly. Very good, Aishi, Suchita. It is absolutely option A. Keep going. Next question. Next question for you. Try to do this again. An interesting question. Again, an interesting question, but a slightly bit different concept from the previous one. So a manager divided rupees 234 into 3 workers. Okay. You have P, Q, and R such that 4 times P share is equal to 6 times Q share, which is equal to 3 times of R share. Okay. You've been given a statement which tries to relate the shares of P, Q, and R. You just need to decode this first. Starts with here, 4 times of P share is equal to 6 times of Q share, which is equal to 3 times of R share. How much did P get? That's your question. Come on, guys, start doing this. Get me the right answer for this, everybody. What's going to be the right answer? Any options you got? So let me do this now. Listen very carefully. That is, I know the fact that the total amount, the shares of P plus Q plus R will give me a total amount of rupees 234. And I also know the fact that just by looking at this statement, that is 4 times of P share is equal to 6 times of Q share, which is equal to 3 times of R share. That's it. Very simple as that. Ayushi has got option B. Very good. Option B. Yeah. So how to break this out? Any idea? You need to find how much did P get? How much did P get? That's what you need to find, right? So just by looking at this, no, we have various ways of approaching it. We have various ways of approaching it. What we can simply do, no, let me take LCM of these numbers, so that it will give you much more a easier way to find this. What is the LCM of 3, 6, 4 and 6, guys? LCM of 3, 4 and 6, it is absolutely 12. So what I simply do now, I just simply try to multiply 12 on this equation. So if I do so, I'll be getting 12p plus 12q plus 12r is equal to 12 into 234. You just need to find what is 12 into 234. How much it is exactly? You get 2808, right? So what are you going to do next? Come on, you just tell me. We have, I told you already, we have multiple ways of approaching this question. Yeah. You need to find how much is exactly the share of P. Or let me do it in the other way. Let me do it in the other way so that you can able to understand much better. So just by looking at this now, I can come to the conclusion that if 4p is equal to 6q, then p by q will be what then? It's going to be 6 by 4, which is ultimately 3 by 2. So the ratio of p is to q, here it is 3 is to 2. Like in the same way, I know the fact that 6 by q, yeah, 6q is equal to 3r. So Q by R will be what then? Q by R will be 3 by 6, which is ultimately 1 by 2. So Q is to R, the ratio of Q is to R is 1 is to 2. Here if I simply try to find what is the combined ratio of P is to Q is to R. Here Q is the common term, and if you try to combine this, these are the ratios of Q. So you'll be getting 3 into 1 it is 3, 1 into 2 it is 2, and 2 into 2 it is 4. That's it. So you have got the combined ratio of P's to Q's to R. That's it. Now if you want to find what is the share of P, you can easily just find it. How to find this? P share is nothing but the ratio of P divided by the total ratio. How much it is exactly? You get 9 of 234. That's it. So this goes exactly how much? You get 2 times 18 and then 6 times 54. So you get, very good guys, answer it is absolutely option B. 78 is exactly the right answer. Very good. Very good, Kartikeya, Sri Vaishnavi, Ayushi, everybody. Good guys, it is absolutely option B, 78. So we have multiple ways of approaching it. As I told you, this is one smart way which you can really take it up if you're much more convenient with this. Yeah. Give me a thumbs up if you're super clear with this. Let me go for the next question. Yes. Cool. Come on. Start doing this question. So 3/7 of a number is equal to 5/7 of another number. Okay, fine. And the difference of these numbers, the difference of these two numbers is x 68. Okay. You need to find the numbers. Exactly what is that? We have multiple ways of approaching it. You can simply take the respective options, the given 5 options, proceed it and fix it. Which one fits in the given statement, you can take it up. But if you find that to be a lengthy process, you can have other ways of doing it. We have other multiple ways of doing it. Let me just do it. Listen, let me take one number to be x, the other number, or one number to be a and the other number to be b. Okay, I know the fact that 3 by 7th of a is equal to 5 by 7th of b. Listen carefully, guys. 3 by 7th of a number, that is, I took it as a, is equal to 5 by 7. Sorry, not 5 by 7, it is 5 by 6. 5 by 6th of another number. Okay? Cool. And you know the fact that the difference of these numbers is 68. First, let me find the ratio of what is the a and b, right? So if I try to find this, no, a by b will be what exactly? 35 by 18, if I'm not wrong. Okay, I just did cross multiply. A by b is 35 by 80, and ultimately I got a is to b, 35 is to 18. Okay, but this is not the case. You need to find the numbers respectively. Yeah, what is that? What are the numbers? And you know the fact that the difference of these numbers, these two numbers, is a minus 68. So a minus b is equal to 68. If that is the case, listen very carefully. If I take a to be 35x and if I take b to be 18x, multiple of 35 and multiple of 18, a and b respectively, simply if I substitute it here, 35x minus 18x is 68, right? 35 minus 18, this will give you 17x is equal to 68. And the value of x, what you'll be getting is ultimately 4. So you got it as 4. Simply just substitute it here. Substitute it here, you get the value of a and b. So a will be 35 into 4, 140. And b will be 18 into 4, you get 72. So the answer for this question is absolutely option A. Very good guys, it is absolutely option A. 140 and 72 are the two numbers. Cool. Okay, the other way of doing it, let me tell you, without even approaching with these many steps, no, you can simply tell the answer just by looking at the ratio. I'll tell you how it is. You can simply do what? 35 is to 18, right? 35 is to 18 means you definitely know the fact that A should be multiple of 35 and B should be multiple of 18. So just by looking at the question, no, options, you know, if you see option B, where A is given as 120, 120 is not a multiple of 35, simply just rule out. Like in the same way, if you go for option C, A is given as 150, 150 again is not a multiple of 35, rule out. 150 again, rule out. 156 again, rule out. Only the option A, that is 140, is the multiple of 35 and perfectly fits into the given numbers of A and B. Is that clear, guys? Give me a thumbs up if you're super clear with this, everyone. Let's go for the next question. Yes, come on. Start doing this question. Ganesh divided rupees 12,300 among 3 sons. The 3 by 2 times of amount received by first son is equal to 4 times of amount received by second son and 4 by 3 times of amount received by third son. You need to find the difference between the share of first son and the share of the second son. That's your question. Start doing this, guys. Come on. Start doing this. I'll just give you a matter of, let's say, 3 minutes. Try to solve this, decode this question and get me the right answer for this, everybody. So we have a total of 12,300 and this is being divided among three sons. That 3 by 2 times of amount received by the first son, right? So 3 by 2 of son 1 is equal to 4 times of the amount received by second son. 4 times of S2. And 4 by 3 times of amount received by third son means 3 by 2 of son 1 is equal to 4 by 3 of son 3. That's what it means. Right? Good, Aisha has got 3075. Let's quickly cross check whether that's the right answer. So from this, I can do what? S1 by S2 is equal to 8 by 3. And from this, I can say S1 by S3 is equal to what exactly? 8 by 9. Cool. Now what I simply want to do, I just need to simply find, I just want to find what is the ratio, combined ratio of S1 is to S2 is to S3. So I know S1 is to S2 is 8 is to 3. Or let me just alter this ratio. That is S2 is to S1 is 3 is to 8. And S1 is to S3, it is 8 is to 9. From this, I can simply find S2 is to S1 is to S3, the combined ratio part. Here, S1 is the common ratio in both the ratios, right? Common term. So, these are the ratio of S1. So, what will be the ratio of S2 here? 3 into 8 will be 24. 8 into 8 will be 64. And 8 into 9 will be 72. So, this is ultimately the combined ratio of S2 is to S1 is to S3. Now, if you want to find what is the share of S1, S1 is nothing but the ratio of S1 divided by the total ratio. What is the total ratio which you have got? The total ratio is 160 of 12,300. So you get exactly 4,920. Like in the same way, if you find second son's ratio, it is 24 of 160 of 12,300. So if you just do it, get 1,845. We've been asked to find the difference of the first and second. So if you try to take the difference out of it, absolutely you'll be getting 3,075. Very good, Aishi. It is absolutely 3,075. Simple as that, nothing to complicate here. We have got the combined ratio, we have got the shares of Sun 1 and Sun 2, and then we found the difference over here. That's it. Is that clear, guys? Give me a thumbs up. You can simply just cut short these steps actually to save time. Okay, very good, very good. I see it is 3,075. That's absolutely the right answer. Next question for you. Come on. Start doing the next question. Get me the right answer for the given one. The sum of four numbers or 630. The ratio of first and second number is 2 is 3. And that of second and third is 4 is to 5. And that of third is to fourth is 6 is to 7. You need to find the sum of first and last. Yeah, come on, start doing this, guys. Again, the concept of combined ratio works here. Start doing this. If you've got the answer already, just let me know in the live chat, guys. Come on. Hi Ranjana, welcome to the session. Yeah, start doing this. So let me just do it quickly, no, so that you can able to understand how I did this. Let me take the first number to be A, second number to be B, C, and D, so on, right? So another fact that the ratio of A is to B, it is 2 is to 3, and the ratio of B is to C, it is what? 4 is to 5. From this, I'll quickly find what is the ratio of A is to B is to C. What I do here, 4 into 2 is 8 is to 12 is to 15. And I also know the ratio of third and fourth, that is C is to D to be 6 is to 7. These are the ratios of C. So I can simply find the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D. We just simply multiply this, guys. So we get 48 is to 72 is to 90 is to 105. So you have got the combined ratio of A is to B is to C is to D. That's it. Very good, Ranjana. Very good, Aishi. It is 1530. Brilliant. So now what you need to do? You need to find what is the sum of first and last. So the first number, what is the share if you find? 48 by the total ratio. What is the total ratio which you are getting here? 315 if I'm not wrong. The amount which is being shared. So this goes exactly twice and you get 96. And for the last number for the last number D, we have the ratio of D 105 divided by 3. 105 into 2 you get ultimately 210. So if you find the sum of 210 plus 96, the answer is exactly 306. Answer is exactly 306. I just want everybody to concentrate on your answer. Both Aisha and Ranjana has got 1530. Is that the right answer, guys? Is that the right answer? Kindly just cross check your answer. The answer is 306, no? How it will be logically possible, guys? How it will be possible 1530? 1530 it will not be possible, no? You have a total sum of 630 only. How will the share of first and the last number, will it be 306? Is that right? Just give me a thumbs up, guys, if you're clear with this, everyone. Just give me a thumbs up if you're clear with the question. Go for the next question. Come on. Try to solve this. Find what is the number of 50 paise coins. Come on, guys. We have five options here. Try to decode this question and get me what exactly will be the right option. Come on, start doing this, everybody. On what exactly will be the right answer. So this is something, a ratio based question where coins, the money value is to be implemented. Okay, the money value is to be implemented. So let's see how it works. You have a total of 216 rupees, and you have some, three different denominations. You have 1 rupee, you have 50 paise, and you have 25 paise. Okay, and the number of coins is given in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 4. Okay, all you need to find is the how many 50 paise coins you have. Sri Vaishnavi has got option E. She has got none of these. We'll quickly cross check whether it is option E. Come on, guys. We'll see this. Listen carefully. What I simply do now, let me take the number of 1 rupee coin. We see here it is given the ratio of 1 rupee coin. The number of 1 rupee coin is given in the ratio 3. So definitely it's going to be multiple of 3. I'll take it as 3x. And the number of 50 paise, let me take it as 4x, and the number of 25 paise, I'll take it as 4x again. So listen very carefully. With this 1 rupee, 50 paise and 25 paise coins, if I try to add the money value to it, I have 3x number of 1 rupee coin and the money value of 1 rupee is 1, plus I have 4x number of 50 paise coins and the money value of 50 paise is 0.5, plus I have 4x number of 25 paise coins and the money value of 25 paise coins is 0.25. I get a total amount of rupees 216. That's it. Simply you just need to solve this 3x plus you get 2x plus 2, what exactly will it be? 1x is equal to 216, and ultimately 6x is equal to 216, and the value of x will be 36. That's it. You've got the value of x. Now you need to find what? How many 50 paise coins? Simply just do what? 36 into 4 you do. You get exactly 120, 144. So the answer it is absolutely option C. Kindly cross check your answers, guys. Answer it is absolutely option C. You have 144 50 paise coins and 144 25 paise coins as well, because the number of coins for both 50 paise and 25 paise are same actually. Is that clear, guys? Give me a thumbs up. How many 1 rupee coins you have then? You just need to simply do 3 into 36. 3 into 36 will give you ultimately 108. You have 108 1 rupee coins. Is that clear? Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you're clear with this. Come on. Let's go for the next question. Yes, quickly. Come on. Start doing this. At least this time, I just want everybody to give me the right option for the given question. I'll just give you a maximum of 5 minutes. Come on, just start doing this. Okay, 5 minutes is too maximum. I'll just give you 3 minutes. Okay, start doing this and get me the right answer for this. Come on. So what's going to be the right answer? You have 25 paise coins, 10 paise coins, and 5 paise coins. Exactly the same kind of previous question that we did, right? So the total amount which you have is 30 rupees. All you need to find is how many 5 paise coins, are there in this bag actually. Okay, come on, guys, start doing this. 100. Aisha has got 100. Will quickly let's do this. How to do this, guys? I'll take 25 paise coins, that is 1x of 0.25 plus 2x of 0.10, or let me take it as 0.1, right? Plus 3x of 5 paise means what? 0.05. That's what you need to do. This will give you a total amount of rupees 30. Don't put 0.5. 0.5 is something 50 paise. If it is 5 paise, you need to put 0.05. Okay. Don't forget this. So you get what exactly? 1x of 0.25 you do, you get 0.25x plus 0.2x plus 0.15x equal to 30. And if you just add this up, you get 40.6x is equal to 30. And the value of x will be ultimately 300 by 6 you do, you get exactly. Value of x is 50. And you need to find how many 5 paise coins. 5 paise coins means simply what exactly? 3x. You have 3x number of 5 paise coins. So the answer it is exactly option C. It is not option B, it is option C, guys. You have 150 number of 5 paise coins. If they ask you how many 10 paise coins, it is 100. If they ask you how many 25 paise coins, it is 50. You're getting this? Give me a thumbs up. You're clear with this, everybody? Yes. Still, I get a lot of wrong options. Can you just rectify it? Make sure you get the concepts right. That's really important. I hope you guys got the concept of this ratio incorporated with this coins based question. Yeah, give me a thumbs up, guys, if you're clear with this. Let's quickly go for the next question. It is actually a CAT question, a previous year one. Very important question though. Very important question. Let's try to take the time and solve this. All I need you guys to do is to understand the question. Yeah, is to understand the question and get the answers right. Come on, try to understand the question very clearly and get me the right option for the given question. Go for it. So let me just try this question. Listen very carefully. You have 3 friends, Tanya, Yashika, and Neha, stop to eat breakfast at a restaurant. Okay. After breakfast, they paid their bill and noticed a bowl of mints the front counter. Okay. What happened? Tanya, she took 1/3 of the mints. Okay. So she took 1/3. If she took 1/3, then the remaining 2/3 will be there in the bowl. After taking that 1/3, she returned 4 because she had a momentary pang of guilt. Okay. Yashika then took 1/4 of what was left actually, but returned 3 for similar reasons. Like in the same way, Neha then took half of the remaining what was left. But she threw 2 back in the bowl. Okay. The bowl had only 17 minutes left when the ride was over. Okay. When all 3 of them they took. You need to find how many mints were originally in the bowl. You need to find how many mints were originally in the bowl. All you need to do is very simple fact. You can approach it in 2 different ways. You can simply approach it in 2 different ways. One thing is taking, assuming, let's say you have, 100x number of mints in the bowl originally, and then trying to solve it using the various, happenings for Tanya, Yashika, and Neha. The other thing, the other way of doing it is trying to take the options and decoding it, trying to rule out it. Let me just do it in the first case first. Let me take the options. Let's say if I have, you have one more option called none of these as well. So that is also an important thing that we really need to know. Yeah. Come on, guys. I hope you would have got the question right actually. You would have understood the question. I just want everybody to start doing this. So simply you can do what? You can take the options. First, let me take 38. Let's say initially I have 38 minutes. What happens? Tanya, she comes, she takes 1/3 of it. She takes 1/3 of 38, but returned 4. Come on, guys, start doing this. So just by looking at this, first of all, listen very carefully. 38 will not. She returns 4, right? She returns 4. So if that is the case, if she returns 4 out of this, then it's gonna be, the remaining will be 32. That's it. Now what happens? Next comes Yashika. This is with Tanya. Next comes Yashika. The remaining, it is 32. From this 32, Yashika took 1/4. That is, she took 8. She took 8. And also she returns how much actually? She returned 3. So if she took 8, the remaining it will be 24. With this 24, she returns 3. So it will become 27. Is that clear, guys? Okay. And then last comes, who it is exactly? Neha. Last comes Neha. The remaining you have is 27. And Neha took half of the remainder. So if you try to find half of the remainder, you cannot find, half exactly in this 27, being you get a decimal out of it. So probably this thing doesn't work, if you ask me. Yes. What exactly we can do with this? Anybody who got the right answer, just let me know. So listen carefully, guys. We have the smart way of doing it. Let me just try to do it. So what we can simply do here now, before Neha took, that is Neha is the last one who's taking it, right? So before Neha took, let there be n number of mints. Okay, listen carefully. I assumed it before Neha took, we had n number of mints. From this, I can say that therefore n minus n by 2 minus 2. How it is exactly? You have n number of mints before Neha took. Neha does what? Neha takes half of n and then she returns 2. So I took minus 2. This will be equal to 17n if I'm not wrong. Why? Because the bowl had only 17 minutes left. Is that right? Is that clear, guys? This will be equal to 17 if I'm not wrong. So listen very carefully. I took n to be the number of mints before Neha took. Okay. From this n number of mints, if I try to subtract n by 2 that Neha took, and Neha she returned 2 mints actually. So after returning, I get a remaining of 17. From this, I can easily find the value of n to be what? N minus n by 2 plus 2 is equal to 17. So I get 2n minus n, it is 1 by 2n is equal to 15. And the value of n will be ultimately 30. So listen very carefully. Before Neha took, it was 30 minutes. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear, everyone? Like in the same way, when it comes to Tanya, the second person, yeah, the first person, I take Tanya took, let there be T minutes. I took it as T minutes, T for Tanya, right? From this, I can say that T minus Tanya, she took 1/3 of the remaining, right? So she took 1/3 of the minutes, so 1/3 of T, and she returned 4 minus 4. This will be equal to 36. From this, I can easily find the value of T to be 48. That's it. The answer for this question is none of these, and we have got 48 minutes originally at the time when both of them approached the men's ball. Okay, is that clear, guys? Give me a thumbs up if you're clear with this. If you're not clear till now, let me do this again so that you can able to understand this much better. Okay, Kavya, she has asked, can I skip functions in IPMAT, or it's an important topic? Functions, if you ask me, hardly you can expect 1 or 2 questions in functions. Sorry, 1 question. So we can skip it for timely sake, but that also an important topic. But as far as timely sake, you can skip it. Okay, there is no problem there. Yes, Pravesh has asked why 36. That's a nice question, Pravesh. I'll try to approach this. See, okay, I skipped one step. I'll try to explain you. Listen very carefully. one step has to be included so that you can able to understand how it is 36. Listen very carefully. No, let me try to illustrate. You have got 30 minutes before Neha took, right? You have got 30 minutes before Neha took. So it is very clear that this 30 minutes is nothing but the next second person is whom actually? It is Yashika. So from Yashika, if you try to subtract, let y be the number of minutes before Yashika took, minus, it is nothing but what? Yashika has took how much? Yashika took 1/4. So 1/4 of Yashika. And she returned how many? Yashika returned 3. Is that clear? So this will be equal to 30, if I'm not wrong. From this, if you try to sort out 4y minus y, it's going to be 3y by 4 is equal to, you get 27, and 3y is equal to 108, and the value of y is 36. Is that clear, Pravesh? Is that clear? This is how we got 36. This is how we got 36. Just kindly let me know, Pravesh, if you are super clear with this. Now we can do what? I know the fact that 36 is the minutes left after Tanya took. Then we got this t minus 1/3 of t plus what exactly? How much she returned? She returned 4. You get 36. From this, you got the value of t to be 48. So the answer for this question is absolutely 48. None of these is the right answer. Is that clear, guys? Kindly give me a thumbs up if you're super clear with this. Let me just wind up the session with this, and we'll have the continuation of this session sharp at 2 p.m. Okay, we'll have the continuation of this session sharp at 2 p.m. Kindly try to come back sharp at 2 p.m. We have a lot more interesting questions to do under ratios and proportions. Until then, it's a very good goodbye from my side, and keep learning with Unacademy. You can literally use my discount code KABI10 to get an absolute 10% off, guys. You get an absolute 10% off in your CAT Plus subscription, and most importantly, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel Unacademy CAT4MBA, and press the bell icon to receive the further updates. Okay, you can also follow me on the Telegram channel CAT4MBA, where you get all the lively special class updates in our YouTube and also on our Unacademy learning app. And you can also get all the materials download from the Telegram channel. Okay, so signing off with this, I hope the session was a bit interesting for everyone. So signing off with this without further delay, I'll catch you all sharp at 2 p.m.